Overall, I have 16 years of experience. I came to Aruba in 2022. So since 2 years, I'm working in this university, teaching students the academic part of the dentistry. And we are waiting to teach the clinical aspects. For this purpose, we have submitted all papers which are required by Aruban government. And the papers have been scrutinized by ECE, and the papers are submitted in Arubic. So since then, since 1.5 years, we are waiting for the permit to practice in Aruba and to teach the students the clinical perspective of dentistry.
We actually wanted to meet the community needs, especially the community dental needs, so that it is helpful to meet every dental need of the Aruban people. Keeping that in mind, we have cleared our US boards called INBDE and submitted the documents to Arubic. And we are waiting since 1.5 years so that we can provide our services to the people living in Aruba. And also, this permit is required for us to train the students who are admitted in our school. Our students are eagerly waiting since long to get the exposure of the clinical experience, which they can get expertised in our university. And once they are expertised, they can also render the treatments to the people in Aruba.
So our university is the first of our kind which is providing the basic necessities and needs for the Aruban people, especially Aruban people which are community-based people, which are lacking the basic requirements from the dental perspective. So our basic aim is to reach out each and every person of Aruba and sort out their needs, and especially treating out their health condition and improve their oral condition.
It will be beneficial if we are getting the permit, and also that will help us enabling the training the students as well as rendering the services to the people of Aruba.
Yeah, basically it is not competency to anybody. It is just providing a good health condition for every Aruban. And that's what our main motto is. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and to add a last note, there are so many students who have believed in the university and have admitted in the university, and we want to do justice to them. And we can do the justice only if we have the necessary needs that are there in the university, and at the same time to the community of Aruba people as well.